How to upload YouTube Shorts from PC. First, open up your web browser and head to your YouTube Studio. Once you're in YouTube Studio, take a look at the top right corner of the screen. You should see a big button that says Create. Give it a click. After you click Create, a few options will pop up. Look for the one that says Upload Videos and click on it. Now, you'll need to choose the video you want to upload. Click on the button that says Select Files. A window will open up, allowing you to browse through your computer's files. Locate your video file and select it. Remember, for YouTube Shorts, your video should have a standard aspect ratio of 9:16 and a resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixels. Additionally, ensure your video is no more than 60 seconds long. Once your video is uploaded, you'll need to give it some details. This includes things like a title, description, and any tags you want to add. Just fill in the boxes with whatever information you think is relevant. You can also customize your video with things like related video and subtitles to make it more engaging. Don't worry if you're not sure what these are. You can always skip this step for now and come back to it later. After you've filled in all the details, YouTube will take a little time to make sure everything looks good. This usually only takes a few moments, so be patient. If YouTube finds any problems with your video, they'll let you know. You'll have the chance to go back and fix whatever needs fixing before you publish it. Finally, you get to decide when your video goes live. You can either schedule it for later or publish it right away. It's up to you. Thanks for watching. Now that you know how to upload YouTube Shorts from your PC, go ahead and start sharing your creativity with the world. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Happy uploading!